Hello, my name is Conrad Neitaka, Vice President of EC Recon. In this video, I will show you how to reconcile in under 2 minutes by simply downloading the book and bank files. The reconciliation will be similar to this. This was done in less than 2 minutes. So I'm gonna close this one and we will redo it again. Okay. So I open the program like this guy. I click super easy. Oh, before I do that, I want to show you that I already have my bank file and my book file. With those two files, the bank reconciliation is as good as done. And Easy Recon will work with any accounting system including ERP, and Easy Recon will work with any bank files. So hit super easy. In Easy Recon, there are 8 processes. So at any given point, you could see what it's doing by looking at the bottom left corner of your screen. So it's now 12 of 80, 16 of 8.0, 80 processes, 48 of 60 of 80. Okay, here's the completed reconciliation. Balance to the last penny. Unrecorded deposits, you click on that, it will take you to the unrecorded deposits. That's the hyperlink. Unrecorded check, it will take you to the bank where you will see the unrecorded check. Unrecorded bank debit, click on that, it will take you to the others, bank other debits and credit. Here's the unrecorded. Okay. You're going to outstanding check will be at the out. It's there. This one 241,670,89. 111. Deposit in transit 114780. 114780. All of this was done in 1 minute 24 seconds. Remember, I didn't do anything except to download my book and bank files. So, if you want to know more about this bank reconciliation, email us at conrad@easyrecon.com. Conrad@easyrecon. Or go to our portal at www.ecrecon.com. Thanks for watching.